Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to create a Skrill account. But before we get into it, make sure to show us some support by liking this video and subscribing for our channel so you don't miss anything. And let's break it down. First, open your web browser and type in theskrill.com in the address bar. Press enter to load the Skrill homepage. On the Skrill homepage, you will see a button labeled register in the top right corner. Click on that button. You will be taken to the registration page. Here, you will need to enter your personal information. Start by entering your first and last name, and then your email address. But make sure to use an email address that you have access to, because you will need to confirm it later. Next, create a password. And remember, your password should be unique and hard to guess. It should contain a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered your password, confirm it by typing it again in the next field. After you've entered all your information, click on the register button at the bottom of the page. Skrill will now send you a confirmation email. Open a new tab, go to your email provider's website and log in to your email account. Look for an email from Skrill and open it. It will look exactly like this, and now what you want to do is press the purple button down here. Once you've confirmed your email, go back to the Skrill tab. You are now registered and can start using your Skrill account. And that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial. And remember, if you have any questions or run into any issues, Skrill's customer support is available to help you out. Good luck and enjoy using your new Skrill account.